Hey guys, so in the last video we saw for and while loop. In this video, let's talk about last type of loop, that is do while. We already have videos explaining for and while loop, so do check them out. The link is in the description box below. Now let's get started with understanding what is do while and how it works. So this is our Eclipse IDE, and in this video we'll understand how do while works and what is the difference between while and do while. So while is the loop where first condition is checked and then the loop is executed. So while checks the condition, for example, let's say I less than 10, and if I is less than 10, it goes inside the loop and executes the statements inside loop. But in do while, first loop is executed and then condition is checked. In this way, do while loop executes at least once. So even if condition is not matched, at least once the statement inside the loops are executed, and then if the next condition matches, the next execution of loop works. So let's see this with an example. We'll first see example of while loop where we are printing numbers. So let's say if we have int I equal to 10 as the initial condition, while I less than 10, we want to print I and I plus plus. Now since already I is equal to 10, this condition I less than 10 is going to fail, and then I will not print. We'll write some statement before this to identify this is while loop inside while. So if I run this, nothing is printed because the compiler is not going to go inside while loop. Let's debug and check. So here already I is 10, and this condition I less than 10 is going to be false. So if I go a step over, it will directly come out of the loop. It has not gone inside the loop because the condition has not matched. Now same if we do for do while, let's see what happens. So we'll just convert this while loop to do while. The syntax goes as, we write this condition after the loop. So the condition comes over here, and before the loop we just write do, and this ends with a semicolon. So inside do while. And if we run this, you can see that inside do while and I is printed. So this is because do while, even if the condition fails, it goes in the loop first and then checks the condition. So let's debug. So you can see it has gone inside the loop. So if we step over, I is incremented now, and this condition now is going to be false. So in the next loop, it will not go inside but come out of the loop. So this is the basic difference between do while and while. So depending on your logic, you decide whether or not you want to execute your loop at least once, and if the loop is to be executed at least once, you use do while. Otherwise, you can simply use while or for loop. This was about do while, guys. In the next video, we'll see next concepts of Java. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel, and also like and share this video. Thank you.